architecture and ito yung famous barn nila. So today, titingnan natin yung kanilang grand villa. We will go inside and also have a quick look at their rooms. So ayan, as you enter, you'll be greeted by the spacious living room. Merong room sa baba and meron ding mga room sa taas. So titingnan natin yung isang room sa taas dito sa second floor. And malawak yung kanilang area. They have complete amenities and their bathroom is big. Of course, importante yan sa ating pagpasyal. Now, kung gusto mo naman mamasyal sa labas, pwede kang sumakay sa kanilang golf cart and definitely madadaanan mo yung iba sa kanilang mga room accommodations. Actually, meron silang train and marami pang attractions sa kabilang side. Meron din silang speedboat dito. It's just very refreshing and